Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Google Calendar for your family. So let's get started. First, head over to your Google Calendar on your computer or mobile device. Over here, look at the left side under Other Calendars and click the plus sign. After that, select Create New Calendar. Then give your calendar a name like Family Calendar and click Create Calendar. Over here, hover over your new calendar on the left, click the three dots and select Settings and Sharing. After that, add the email addresses of your family members under the Share With section. Then set permissions so family members can make changes to events. Over here, click on the date and time slot to add a new event like soccer practice. After that, set the specific time and location. Then enter any extra details in the description section. Over here, make sure the event is being added to your family calendar from the drop down menu. After that, click Save. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.